Assalamualaikum and very good morning to examiners and my fellow friends. My name is Aida Syahirah Binti Tatar, a student of Bachelor of Science Honours in Applied Microbiology. For my final year project, I chose antibiotic degradation using different biomass concentration of white rice fungus Aspergillus tamarii. For the introduction, here is the figure show percentage of antibiotic usage across the world. In 2018, antibiotic usage was highest across the Central Europe, Eastern Europe, and Central Asia super-region, when the median national antibiotic usage was 72%, with national estimate highest in Ukraine 80%, Kazakhstan 80%, Bosnia and Herzegovina 79%. First, research background. According to Harvard 2023, promising for use in primary care setting, amoxicillin is a commonly used beta-lactam antibiotic that has been approved by FDA in United States. Penicillin had an additional amino group to combat antibiotic resistance, resulting in the creation of amoxicillin and aminopenicillin. Among the bacterial illness, such as tooth abscess and chest infection, including pneumonia, are treated by this antibiotic. For viral illnesses like flu, amoxicillin are ineffective. At the end of this research, questions that need to be answered are: how does the presence of fungal biomass impact the degradation of antibiotic, and what is the percentage removal? The problem statement is large amount of antibiotic discharge in the environment, and improper use of antibiotic contributes to the antibiotic resistance. Significance of study is study of different biomass will promote the use of fungal mycelium as natural absorbent and lignin-modifying enzyme production. Therefore, this research is designed to evaluate the effect of antibiotic degradation by Aspergillus tamarii using of different biomass concentration. To calculate the percentage of antibiotic removal using standard antimicrobial analysis. So, we will see if the hypothesis is accepted. When increasing biomass concentration, the total antibiotic removal will increase. Literature review. Amoxicillin have a strong cross-linked structure because of the polymer peptidoglycan, which promote high chemical stability. Adding an electron withdrawing group onto the 6th position located on beta-lactam ring, a mic group can increase its acid stability. There's a journal by Orchidea et al. 2012 stated that because amoxicillin is not sufficiently eliminated in WWDP, it enters surface and groundwater and can cause long-term exposure, then can result in emergence of chronic resistance. Amoxicillin contamination interfere with lower plant ability to divide their plastic. Where exposure to high dose of amoxicillin, the adult brain of this species, Danio also showed suppression. For Chapter 3, we will discuss about methodology. First, Arsha Alam will supply fungal sources which will be maintained in potato dextrose agar for 3 days before inoculating into potato dextrose broth for biodegradation experiments. By using a cork borer, 3 fungal mycelium teas will be picked from the PDA plates and inoculate into 100 ml of sterile PDB in an LMIA flask. For amoxicillin stock solution preparation, 2.5 gram amoxicillin will be dissolved in sterile distilled water with 5 ml sodium hydroxide, filtering with 0.5 ppf exchange and wrapping with aluminium foil for storage. Batch fermentation will be conducted under room temperature using shaking agitation of 150 rpm for 72 hours to promote biomass production. 1 ml of amoxicillin solution, 100 microgram per milliliter, will be added into the flask containing 72 hours liquid fermentation and continue fermentation for another 72 hours. Here is where objective 1, which is to evaluate the effect of antibiotic biodegradation by Aspergillus tamarii using of different biomass concentration will be done. Next, liquid fermentation broth will be harvested for sample recovery. Antimicrobial activity start with culture preparation of Escherichia coli, Staphylococcus aureus, and Bacillus subtilis by the Laboratory of Faculty of Applied Science in UiTM Shah Alam. Antimicrobial activity stage is where second objective, which is to calculate the percentage of antibiotic removal using standard antimicrobial analysis, will be carried out. Next, Weller-Hilton agar MHA will be prepared using 23 grams of MHA powder in 1 liter of distilled water before sterilization by autoclaving at 121 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Then sterilizer MHA will be poured into petri dish and incubate inversely at 37 degrees Celsius, then using 11.5 gram of MHB powder in 1 liter of distilled water before sterilization by autoclaving at 121 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. This diffusion method will be used by 20 microliter of degraded amoxicillin sample will be impregnated into sterile antimicrobial disc, place of MHA. A series concentration of 100 microliter degraded amoxicillin will be prepared in sterile FHB medium for determining percentage of antibiotic removal. MIC value determined from lowest concentration of degraded amoxicillin sample that are capable to inhibit the visible growth of test microorganism after the incubation period. MBC will be observed and recorded as the lowest concentration of degraded amoxicillin sample that resulted in the reduction of 99.9% bacterial growth. This is Journal chart for FYP1, Journal chart for FYP2. Journal and books that used for writing introduction, literature review and methodology are all listed here. That's all from me. Thank you.